Welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Moses, Mwadende, FMD by Moses. In program number 19, we are going to write a program which check if a year entered by user is leap or not. So figure number 33, as you can see, the piece of code which we should write, and figure number 34 is the output sample, how our output from the console should be looked. So let's go and open our compiler. So Control N for creating new file in divisible hash include iostream, then using namespace std int main, our main function, enter. Then put a comment here, C++ program to check if a given year is leap. So declare a variable called int cout, send the message to the user on the screen, enter, and 4 digits of the year, then put a semicolon. Now we should be able to read year entered by user here, put a semicolon, then put your if condition. If year modulus of 4 is 0, then cout, send a message to the user on the screen, number year is leap year, then put semicolon. Else, if year is not modulus of 4, then that year number year is not leap, Almost that is the end of our program. Here you should return 0, return 0, put a semicolon. So let us see how our program should be saved from our book. It should be saved as leap year.c++. So compile a program and save it as leap year.c++. So compile and run a program. So enter any 4 digits of the year. Let me enter 2020. So number of year 2020 is leap year. So let us compare our output from the book to the output from the console. As you can see here, enter any 4 digit of the year. This number of this year is leap. So that is right. Everything is correct. And that is the end of our program number 19. Do not miss the next video. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.